welcome to FreeCAD drawing tutorial, and in this tutorial we will make a drawing of very basic part, which is part 103, and we have already seen the modeling procedure of this part, and video is uploaded on my channel, so you can go and check out the video FreeCAD part modeling tutorial 03. So this tutorial will be very basic tutorial for the FreeCAD drawing, and we will just aware about the placing of the view, dimensioning techniques, and etc. So let's start. So for FreeCAD drawing, to create a FreeCAD drawing, we have to activate the Techdraw Workbench. So when you activate the Techdraw Workbench, you will see here the option insert a default page. So if you click on insert on default page, so you will get here the default page. So as my part is very small and this is the A3 sheet, so I am okay with that. So in this tutorial I will not go much in depth of the FreeCAD drawing, like how to modify sheets, how to take the sections view. So this tutorial will be very basics to how to place the view and give journal dimensioning. So here, after activating Techdraw Workbench, you have to insert a default page. So default page will be get inserted here, and to place the view, so here is to place the view, select the body and first fix the orientation of the part. So as per my drawing view, I want my drawing orientation from the top view, means I will look model from the top, so I will set my part in that way. Okay, so I want my this view first, so I will select my body. So body will be selected, and here insert a view, so I will click on insert on the view, so the view will be get inserted here. Okay, so now I've placed my view, this view, and next view I want this, so I will select my body and insert view. So if you see here, view and view 001 got inserted on my sheet. So if you see here, it is inserted. Okay, and now I have to place one side view, so I will fix the orientation. I want my side view like this. I press 0. I want my side view like this. Okay, so I will select here body and I insert the view, so my view will be get inserted here. So I will drag it here. So now we will see the properties of our drawing view. So if I select on my first view, so I will get here some details about that view. So in data, position, and here is a scale. So scale is too big, so I will make it 0.7, and for this view also I will make 0.7. Sorry. So if as I have changed the scale 0.7, but it is not reflecting, so for that go here in edit and say refresh, so that it will get refresh. So if you are not seeing the actual change, go on edit and say refresh, and my side view I also place to the 0.7, so it is not updated here, so I will go here edit and I say press refresh. Okay, so these are the views. Now I will place my view. Okay, now I want to place one isometric view. Okay, so what I will do, I will press 0 here and I will select body and say insert view. So this isometric got inserted, so I will change scale is to 0.6. Okay, Now you see a border line around the view which you can easily toggle. Just toggle frame. So if you are not activate it, then you can activate it, but if you are not hide it, just click on toggle frame. So this is the our drawing view which we have placed. So first I will enable the toggle view, and I go here, I go to the view and center scale. So if you see, my center point was very small. If I select 2, so this my center point is very small. So select the view and I will increase my center point to the 10. So you have seen here center point got increases. Same way I select this view, I go to the view center, I will set 10, or I can set 20. Okay, 20 looks good. So I will do for this view also, I will center scale, I will do 20. Okay, so I will make this scale 0.5. It looks big. Okay, now before starting the detailing of this part, we have to do some changes in our settings. So if you have Techdraw Workbench active and you are working on a drawings, though in settings you will see here Techdraw. So here are some basic settings. On journal we will keep as it is. So here center mark scale. Okay, so as I have manually set center mark scale to 10, but here on the setting you can set your center mark scale. Vertex scale set to be 1, because if you're drawing on the first time, then there might be your view may not be like my view. So you have some vertex points, so set the vertex scale to 1, page scale 1 to 1, and in dimension, font size, tolerance size, arrow size, you can set as you start drawing your part. So here are the annotations, hatching lines, others. So you when you start detailing of a part in a FreeCAD, you will be get familiar with all these features. So most two setting which you have to do is vertex scale 1 and center mark scale. Okay, so now I close it. Now I will toggle my frames. Now I will start the detailings. So in FreeCAD, so here I have placed the view. Here I have placed my view as per my reference drawing. So I will start detailing and I will explain you parallelly. So first dimension I will give 25. So in FreeCAD you have to control select edge and this center points, this center point and this edge, and it is horizontal dimension, so I select horizontal and I will move my dimension here. I select this line and this line, I say vertical, it is vertical 20. I can make it outside. Okay, now this diameter, so I will select diameter and I give diameter symbol here. Radius is 25, I select this and I select radial, I say 25, and now in top, sorry, in front, so now I will give dimension of my this view. Okay, so let's start. So here in this view there is one more dimension is there, this and this 50, and I will move it downside. So for that I have to toggle my frame, and when I enable my frame then I can view it and I toggle my frame. Okay. So this I will make it inside, and I will move this dimension little bit outside. Okay, so here in this view center mark, so I will toggle frame and I say center mark scale 20. Okay, now I will toggle my frame. So from this edge to this center, it is horizontal dimension of 125, and select this edge and give vertical dimension of 15. Select this edge and give vertical dimension of 15. I will move it outside. I move my diameter here, and okay, now I will select this edge and this, and I say horizontal dimension of 50, and I select this diameter and say diameter dimension of 20. Here is the radial dimension. I select and give radius. Now here I will give total, I will toggle my frame and I move my view little bit here, and again I toggle my frame. I give total height of 50, and I say it is a vertical dimension of 50 and curve dimension of vertical of 20, and I say I select this and say 50. So if we look our drawing, I erase my markup. I just show. So if you look, we have exactly model our part. Sorry, we have exactly made drawing of our model part. Let me, yes. So if you see, we have make the drawing of our part 103. So this simple drawing will be able to understand you how to place the view, how to give dimensioning, how to increase the center points, and what are the essential settings of the Techdraw Workbench. So this is all about the detailing of a part 103. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and share my video. If you have any suggestion, then please leave your comments in the comment section of the video. Thank you for watching and your valuable time.